guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video, another day, another vlog. So today we're currently in the south part of Cebu, and yes, I am with MarVe, and I can really attest that MarVe is freaking real. So
you're the first person who gets to travel with us.
oh, as you guys are out now.
Hold up.
Hindi actually yung Cebu Mercado, te. So yeah, we're gonna be exploring the whole South Cebu Waterfalls, hopefully Osmania Peaks. So if you guys are new here to my channel, do not forget to subscribe down below and click the bell button so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. So right now, we're currently walking to Avelovinit Falls. This is our first trip, or our first falls for today. We got our van for 6,500 pesos from Arley Travels and Tour. This is not sponsored at all. So we started traveling from Cebu City from 3:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. So if you're going to Avelovinit Falls, make sure to rent out or to bring your own shoes, because this kind of shoes here, the slip-ons, are not really for trekking. Yeah. It's a bit cold. Again, it's 7:30 a.m. right now, super early, and wala pang tao dito. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we need to be careful. Okay, let's go. Shoot. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Hello, you can swim na here? Hello, you can swim. Go. Oh my god, you guys, we have to climb this falls. Look at the holes. Oh, the sun is so bad, but look at the holes. We're gonna climb that one, but we have ropes naman for safety. I'm excited. How blue that is. Someone's gonna jump. Go!
Okay, wanna vlog?
Guys, we are at the 4th stage of Avelovinit Falls. Look at that. Someone's gonna jump. Oh, by the way, the first one who will jump is the tourist guide, para you'll know where to drop yourself or your body. Oh my god. Look. So Ave and Martin is gonna jump. Are you going together? Okay, careful.
Okay.
Hello. So we just finished the Avelovinit Falls. It was so much fun. We took so much videos and photos. Insert here. I was the official videographer of the couple, but I really like it. I learned so much from Ave and Kuya Martin. But now we're gonna open, huh? Thank you. So this is our van actually. It's 6,500 pesos, good for 12 people, I think. Links will be down below the description bar. Yes, it's good kasi we can actually sleep inside kasi ang laki niya, guys. Look. And I am staying at the front seat. Awesome. I'm just gonna change now. Hello guys, we just arrived here in Ambacan Falls. It's super hot today already. Look at the sun! Of course you cannot see, but we're paying now the entrance fee, which is... Ate, magkano yung entrance fee?
50 pesos. Ako na.
Oh yeah. Thanks, Ate Ave. 50 kahit foreigner. How much, Ate?
50 bucks, tatlo.
Ah, okay. Okay. Yes, it's 50 pesos if foreigner, and if hindi rin foreigner like us, Tagalog, whatever, Filipino, 50 pesos din. And if you're gonna bring your own car, it's okay because they have a really decent parking spot, which is also 50 pesos. Currently, it's 10:30 a.m. and we started the day really early again. We started traveling from Cebu City at 3:30 a.m. arrived in our first falls at 7:30 a.m. and it's currently 10:30 a.m. It's so hot. I'm just gonna get my own water. Should I get my own water or I'll just drink here? Okay, so we're now going down to Inambakan Falls in Hinatilan. Kuya, how much ang life jacket if we're gonna rent? Free, okay. Look at that! Amazing!
Pero dun na lang.
Kuya, how many falls ang nandito? Oh, so this is just stage level 1. Look at level 1, guys. Pero ito yung pinakamaganda. Look! What? So we're currently in Inambakan Falls. Look at that. That's MarVe working hard for the money. Alright. So beautiful here. And walang tao. Yay! Go, Ave! How to be an Instagram girlfriend. Yes! Go, Ate Ave. Kaya mo yan, go! Guys, it's so beautiful! It's a whoa! Wow! There.
BTS!
How was it?
Looks good. Can we do one more?
There's only one thing I can say sa falls. Wow! Tawag ako sa sarili ko. Again, there's only one thing I can say. So it is already lunchtime and we're now going out from that falls and we're just gonna look for food outside the market.
Are you hungry?
A little bit. Ikaw?
Yes.
How about you, Martin?
Yes.
Super? I have wafers here. Do you still want?
It's okay.
Oh, that's okay. I'll wait for
We'll wait for a proper meal.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey guys, we're just chilling here, waiting for our lunch. And look at the view. Oh my god. This is the life. It's so chill right now. And they also have a pool. Yes. Our food is here.
Wow.
Fried chicken.
Vlog style. Guys.
Ganyan talaga kami, kuya.
Yeah!
have the same camera.
Yeah! Woohoo! G7X! Thanks, Ate Ave.
Sure.
Yum!
Our first level, these three kinds of picture, just only one. This is the first level, so the one that shows just only 6.
Alrighty, we're now on our third fall of the day. We're currently with Avelovinit and of course Kuya Martin. Yes, still sexy. Is this a brand or no?
No.
No. Soon. Watch out soon. By the way, this is our third falls. It's Binalay and Hidden Falls. It's actually my first time again here. Surprisingly, oh my god, I am a Cebuano and Ate Ave knows more spots than me. What a slap. So yeah, we're now gonna walk for 12 to 15 minutes.
Restroom?
Oh, that's the restroom.
That's the natural restroom, dear.
Yeah, we go a bit further. It's quite nice. You get
Ang lamig, too cold.
Yeah, photography. Sir. Sir. Ambil na sir. Ambil na. Para di makita.
Yay!
Daraga pa.
Alright, so currently we're now walking to the falls. 2 minutes left, and then we're done. Ito na ba?
In the level 1.
So another tip when you're going to see the falls is to always bring your own dry bag. Have comfortable clothes and of course comfortable slippers.
Yeah.
So kuya, mga pilang nagbili ang visitors every week?
Depende sir.
Like more than 50 people?
Ano?
Really? Hi guys, so we're now gonna try the bamboo man-made swing! Charot! Tapos bakit doon ako ang chill guys, oh look! Woo! Abutin kita kuya, wait ka lang dyan. Woo! Kuya! I'm happy ko, di ba? Okay, go kuya. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Iskol.
Ang saya! It's like I'm a kid again. Grabe, ang chill. It's so relaxing here, guys. No social media, no pressure in life.
Dalang hat.
Just nature. Ay, ganun mo po. Mag-swing ka, ma'am? Swing ka? Ha? Swing ka? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Diba? I'm the professional tribute today. Yeah, I don't feel that. Ang saya. Thank you. Kaya mo ba, puno? Kaya mo ba? If ako ang ano? How much yung ano kuya entrance fee, charot? Walang fee kuya dyan? Sure ka kaya kuya? Kaya mas ang taba ko kasi. Hindi obvious pero mataba ko kuya. Sige, we'll try that later. Go, Ate Ave! Go! You want me to vlog? A picture muna. Yeah, baka mababali ito ha. Dito ako. Oh my God! The boat? Okay. Uy, kuya mo ako! Uy, kuya mo ako! Jangan, bibo!
Turn around.
Okay.
Di na.
I love it! Hindi na po!
Napunta sa ito sa.
Okay na. Isa pa lang.